Oh, good morning. It's raining. That screen doesn't look right, does it? We overnighted, or we've been here before actually, an off-road lay-by beside the A38, not far from Tewkesbury, not far from a village called Stratford in Worcestershire. We arrived, it was dark last night. So, and it was like chock-a-block with lorries, vans and lorries and stuff. No other motorhomes or campers or anything. They all went, and then this morning that bus there turned up. Oh, that's why it's zoomed, because one's on zoomed. Turned up, it's an actual diner, upper deck diner, and if you look on Google Maps, this lay-by is marked with upper deck diner. So there you go. There are no bins or anything like that. It is literally just a park up, ideal if you're on the way to somewhere. So we have driven
about 25 miles
to
Westbury upon Severn, or Westbury on Severn, and this is Westbury Water Gardens.
So we've parked. There is parking, but you reckon it's not very big?
It's not very big, and I didn't want to get down yet. Gets blocked in, so we've parked out here.
Yeah, we parked. So there's the road. I don't know what the road is. Do you know what the road is?
No.
A40? Oh, that rings a bell.
It's the A40.
So there's like a lay-by runs along the side of the place here, and we have parked there. Anyway, we've got these railings. Look at that view. Let me just get you in. There you go. So that's the Westbury Gardens.
Yes.
Which is where we're going to. It doesn't open until 11.
No.
It's about 10:30 now.
Yeah.
But there's a steeple there of a church, which we're going to see if we can have a look at. It is the garden. Is it National Trust? Yeah. National Trust for the Gardens. Some little potty things up there that are not real. Bit of a noisy road. It was absolutely tipping down with rain, but it has actually stopped raining, so let's hope. Let's just hope it stops raining. Right, so we're going to attempt the church first, I think. Right, so this is the church yard. And there is the church. And another building beside it. Is it?
Yeah, I think the original church went down and fell down. The tower's not connected to the church.
The tower's not connected to the church, it's just said. Oh no, it might be just the rain from the tree actually. Right, there is the churchyard, graveyard, whatever you call it. There is the church tower. I'm assuming it's locked. Oh, there's some graves down here as well, look. Okay. And there is the church. Bit of a sundial there. This is the other side. Don't know, did we try? No, we didn't try the door, did we? Did you go and try the door?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Go on then. Yeah, he's just checked the door of the tower and it was shut, but the door to the church looks like it's open. I hadn't planned on coming here. Ramp if you've got a wheelchair. Ooh.
The Church of St Mary, Peter, Paul, Westbury upon Severn.
Oh, that was old. Can't read it. There. Something, I don't know. There.
That'll make a much difference.
Okay.
Okay, let's go in.
This way. Right, you'll see this at the same time we're seeing it. As in, we haven't been here before. Oh, what's that noise? It's like a high-pitched noise. Don't like that. I'll do my head in. Let's stop now. Here's the font and the font cover. Books for £1. It's quite big, isn't it? Oh no, I can still hear that noise. Little kitchen area at the back.
Look, that one.
Right, another font. It's older. It's got oh god, 3 lines is it, or something there? Some sort of shield. And what do you call those chains with the gate things?
A drawbridge.
That's the one. 1583, I think that says. Fleur de lis.
The tower's open on Sundays in the summer.
Oh right, you just said the tower is open on Sundays in the summer. So that would be tomorrow. If we're passing, we'll come back. Organ and pipes. Oh, I'm assuming that doesn't get played anymore because it's very tiny, isn't it? Oh yeah, there's a chest. Nothing's labelled. Some sort of crest. In fact, there's bits of bolting, isn't there? Gravestones, and here is the altar and the windows. Quite elaborate, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a nice window. It's coming out. That one's not coming out so well. There we go. Right, so there's the church and steeple. And this pub is the Lion Inn. And look at the decoration, I suppose you would call it, on the outside. It's the paintings. Obviously they mean something, some sort of historyness of the area. Oh, it does look like it's brightening up again. There. And then we've got a village cross. It's still raining a little bit now. It did stop. Oh, there's a bit of sun up there, look. There we go. No idea whether it's nearly time to go into the place yet. Gardens, whatever they're called. Right, just walked along here and we just come across a war memorial cross. Can't really see it very well. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. 39 to 45. May they rest in peace. Thank you. Right, it started raining again. Right, we've just walked up there. Obviously for us it's a bit narrow with cars parked there, but a car could obviously come up here. And this is the car park, so yeah, not really big enough for a motorhome. Right, so we paid a little kiosk out there, came the gate, and there's like this tall building-y thing. There's no maps apart from the one on the wall behind me, which I've forgotten. But apparently, you go up there and you can see the garden from all the way around or something. Probably got water on the lens now. There is a toilet in there, which is disabled, male, female, baby changing thing in there as well. And nice little view of that little bit there. Anyway, viewing room and display. Things to look out for there. And I'm going up. Okay. Right, I've just come in that door. This is the viewing room. He said to lift the window. No, I can't lift the windows. Hang on. Just get the camera in there. Oopsie. Whoop. Okay. That's from that side. Oh. That's from this side. Oh, see the top of Basil there, look. Out on the road. And, well, probably not much of a view from this side now. There's where you pay, there's the car park, there's the church and steeple. Okay.
The original Tudor house, Westbury Court, was knocked down and replaced with a posh Palladian-style Georgian house. And then that fell into the disrepair because the family moved to their other house 5 miles away. And eventually they knocked that house down and there was nothing there. But then in the 60s, I think it was, I just read it over there, 1967, the garden was put up for sale. By then it was quite derelict, and a developer wanted to buy it and build a big house, block of flats over there, and flatten the garden and just landscape it. But the council refused planning permission, and they built an old people's home and some old people's bungalows where the house was, and offered the garden to the National Trust. Yeah.
Right, it's raining a little bit still. I think it's going to be on and off all day. So let's walk along this little bit. She said something about raspberries, yellow raspberries or something, somewhere that you're allowed to pick and eat. I don't know if I fancy yellow raspberries. I'm not a great fan of raspberries on their own anyway, but yeah, it is all you, isn't it? Like hedge, and then they've, oh, that's Holly there actually. Holly and you. Holly and me. Oh, hello. It's a whopper. I don't know if that's going to come out. Oh, it's raining again. Oh, a duck. Apparently, I've just overheard that if you've got a child, they give you a free bag of fish food. Oh, hello. No, I haven't got any fish for you. Any fish and food for you. More hen over there. Right, it's a little hut thing. Well, it's probably got a posh name at the end. So, no. Oh, Flaxley. That's not where we are now. Right, Westbury Court. There we go. So it was all that. There's there's the church and steeple thingy, and that's the house, which is no longer there. And all of this. I take it it's not that big anymore, is it?
Park here.
Yeah.
And the entrance was down that.
Yeah, because there's the railings. Yeah. And that's the tower, the lookout tower we just been up, isn't it? Oh, crikey. So I take it it's not all that land anymore, is it? No. There you go. Back out. We've got in there. Okay. Aww. Come on, son. You can do it. If you B&Q it. Oh, I've just walked through a cobweb. Yeah, just got that. Lots of benches dotted around. Picnic area, it says down there. I don't know what this is. Rabbit warren. There's a river. Right. Says there's a wasp nest there somewhere. Ooh. Stop raining again. Oh, look at that! How lovely is that? Beautiful. Sheep bang. Ba ba ba. So where the houses, those brown houses I think, and these little ones here I think it is where the house used to be before it was knocked down, I think he said. Another motorhome joins us out there on the road. I'm starving.
This is a recreation.
Right. Hang on. Oh, I was going to say, I've just said about the bungalows, that's where the house used to be, isn't it?
No, the house was where the Old People's Homes.
Yeah, that's the Brain building, right? Okay.
But this garden was where them bungalows are.
Ah, okay. And it used to be all gardens like this, but for a big amount of space.
Yes.
If that makes any sense whatsoever.
Plants get changed twice a year. There's spring bulbs, and then summer plants get put in after.
Okay, might come back in the spring. We always say things like that. We never do.
Good job in the gravel drip.
Aww. Beautiful. Right, that's the other canal. We were down at the end just now where the fish and things were. See all the cyclamen are out now under various trees. Under this tree. Honeybees live in this tree. Oh, there you go. Cyclamen are in the bottom. Love it. Really? He's just saying, go on, say it again.
That's Quercus oak, home oak, holly oak, or evergreen oak, and they know it was planted in 1696.
Wow! Look at the girth on that. It's got
Well,
brackets
it
like
is.
this as well.
It is the widest girth oak of its type
Really?
in the world.
In the world?
Yeah.
Wow! And we're standing right at it. It's all fenced off, obviously, because you get some idiots trying to climb it and be absolute dickheads. There. There it is. Huge. Shame it's not sunny because I could spend longer here, but oopsie. Is it a river? It must be. Yeah. So that's the river that we were looking at up there just now, isn't it? The Warren or something? I'm assuming it's not called the River Warren, or is it? Oh, oh, bit of sun, bit of sun. Sheepies. It looks a bit sunny over there in that distance as well, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, if it was sunnier, we'd probably stay and have a spot of luncheon, but it keeps raining, so sadly not. But it is a lovely place. It's not too big, is it?
No.
Not too big. Yeah. Sometimes you go to places and they're just huge. It's too much to take in. Overwhelming, but no, it's just the right size. I can't believe that's the biggest girth tree of that. The biggest girth tree of that make. There's a little gravestone or something under it there. Let's go see if we can read it. Okay. Where am I looking? Ooh, there. Jim, it says. Okay.
1925. Companion and friend.
I'd imagine it's a dog or something.
Faithful.
Yeah, it's going to be a dog, isn't it? A little dogger. Right. Got a bit of a veg patch as well. What's happening in the garden? Vegetable plots. created the vegetable plots on the original site after the absence of 200 years. Shown in the Kip engraving of 1708, these vegetable plots would have helped supply vegetables and fruit to the household of Westbury Court. So, fruit, vegetables and herbs grown here are mostly from the 17th century. There's lots of wasps around. Using authentic, I think it said vehicles. Oh, huge great this artichokes. Ah, I was going to say. So is that of the thistle family then? I've never really.
It looks very similar.
It does. I just thought it was an overgrown thistle. It looked quite nice, like just left dead. Like the head's dead as well. And there's a fluffy one over there. What? No. Yeah.
Right at the end, yeah.
Yeah, well, there was there. There you go. That's where we were earlier. There's the road. There's the top of Baz. Oh, look at the pond skaters. Hello! Oh my god, I see right down your gob. Don't know if they're coming out. Oh, that is gross. Oh god, you made me jump! Pardon?
Yeah, not like you.
Oh, rude! They think I've got food. Haha, no I haven't, sorry. Bit of sun up there. Right, so yeah, really nice place, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know how much it was actually to get in, because obviously National Trust we don't pay, but...
It's been that much, because like I said, there's no big house or anything, is there?
No.
So, and no massive grounds, it's just a garden.
Yeah. No, I'm really impressed with that. On a sunnier day, I could easily spend half a day here.
Yes.
So I think we're leaving now. I don't know where we're going next. Got to find somewhere to get some food. Well, that's pretty. Well, he's a bit wonky, isn't he? I don't know if you can see the steam. It is just absolutely downpoured, like torrential rain. And now it's gone sunny. So you can see the steam on the roof. Anyway, we're at, I did see a station. Something to do with steam. Lydney. Where are we? Norchard Station. About to get on a steam train. Going to Lydney. 4 miles, you say?
Yeah.
Norchard High Level. Are we getting on here?
I believe so.
Deep Joy. Reserved.
Yeah, that's 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Right. Can't get to the engine anyway. It's on backwards. So, big car park, parked in it, got out, coat on, shoes on, blah blah blah. Absolutely emptied it down. It was it was raining so heavy, and it came down so fast that I couldn't really bring myself to get back in the van because I was dripping. In the space of 10 seconds, I was soaking wet.
And I was still in the van trying to get out.
Yeah, so I stayed out in it. Sad times.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are now on the carriage to go to the land that time forgot.
Lydney and then Park End.
Lydney and Park End.
Yeah. Basically, we're in the middle.
Good. Alright, so we've got to go one end, turn around, go the other end.
And then back.
Right, okay. Deep joy. Okay. We've only once on this bit of carriage, haven't we? Here we are.
Now at Lydney Junction, it's the southern end of the line. The engine's just swapping ends.